Hi everybody, I'm Ashley Marceaux and I am a BCBA with Butterfly Effects. And today with me I have my son Brayson. He is going to be my helper. And what are we reading today, Brayson?
Mighty Mighty Construction Site.
Oh, Mighty Mighty Construction Site. That's one of our favorites, right? That rhymes. All right, here we go. Down in the big construction site, 5 trucks wait to morning light. It's time to stretch, roll out of bed, and gear up for the day ahead. They wipe their faces, greet the sun, load up, fuel up, rev up, run.
I also see a teddy bear.
Oh, a teddy bear. Let's do it really close so they can see. Nice. Eye, Bray. Good job finding that. They're eager to get things underway. There's a brand new job to start today.
And I also see another teddy bear. If you guys can see right here.
Oh, another teddy bear. I wonder if there's a teddy bear hidden on each page. The plans unrolled, they stare in awe. The biggest thing they ever saw. A massive building so immense, this giant job will be intense. Lots of fun for them to do, too much work for just a 5-truck crew. Cement mixer is thinking fast, he gives his horn a blaring blast. You ready to honk? Honk! Do you see a teddy bear on this page? No? Let's show everybody this cool page. Mighty trucks all hear the call. They start up in no time at all. Out on the road, they drive full stream. They rush right in to join the team. I don't see any teddy bears.
That's a rabbit.
Oh, a rabbit. All right, let's show everybody. That cute little bunny rabbit.
There's a rabbit. Let's see if I can.
Good turn. All right. Rolling, rumbling, revving hard. 10 big trucks meet in the yard. A mighty, massive super crew. There is nothing they can't do.
I wonder if you guys feel like these two might be brothers because they're both trucks and they look the same on faces.
Oh, they do, don't they? Let's show it close. Do you think these 2 trucks are brothers?
I mean, they kind of look the same, and they're both 18-wheelers.
Oh, nice eye, Bray.
I don't see a teddy bear.
Me either. All right, let's see on the next page, yeah?
Well,
Bulldozers heavy, wide, and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land, but even he can use a hand. Skid steers nimble, small and quick. She turns, she spins, she does a trick. Skids break her bit, blast rocks to rubble, so Dozer rolls through without trouble. 2 friends at work, one big, one small. They clear the way, they move it all.
I see a rabbit.
Oh, do you see a rabbit?
Yes.
Let's see. Let's put it up
Do you
close.
guys see a rabbit? There's one right here.
Oh, you found another rabbit, right? Good job. This book is like a tongue twister, right?
And there's little things.
Each long trench is marked and planned. Excavator digs the land. Then backhoe grabs a drainage pipe down in one smooth swipe. Turn and dig, then lift and drop, then push some dirt right back on top. They set each pipe and then repeat. This duo doesn't miss a beat.
Do you see anything special? I just looked on this page.
Nope, didn't see anything. Let's see if it's on the next one. Pulling up with all his might, crane truck lifts a beam to height. And then he spins his hook around, but just before it touches ground, crane truck gasps out in surprise. He's used up all of his supplies.
This might be another brother from the trucks.
Oh yeah, that's so true, right? But what's this coming down the road? Could it be another load?
That just looks like a train.
Let's see on the next page what it could be. All right, mighty flatbed revs and runs, smoothly hauling 50 tons down the road and over hills. Her load strapped tight so nothing spills. On site, she rolls right to a stop with crane supplies all stacked to top. Flatbed trucks just saved the day. Their work can get back underway. That's really great. They can get back to work, right? I don't see any rabbits or teddy bears, right? That's what we're looking for. Okay, let's put it up really close so everyone can see. Wow.
That's 50 tons. Says it right here.
That's a big load, right? Front end loader and move great loads from here to there. Digging, lifting, hauling ground, giant paws are moved around. Loader digs and scoops his full fill, then tilts it up so there's no spill. His bucket raises to the max. Then beep, 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 as loader backs. Dirt and gravel hauled away. These pals move mountains every day. Let's put it up close. Cement mixer is working hard around the whole construction yard. Load after load, he churns and pours, makes foundations, roads, and floors. But now the concrete needs to climb.
And wet cement also turns in a couple minutes to dry cement.
Oh, that's so true.
So don't fall in cement.
Yeah, don't fall in wet cement. That wouldn't be fun.
Or dry cement, you get a big scratch inside that.
Oh, I know, right? I know. You definitely have to be careful on concrete. And here is a pumper right on time. Pumper's boom unfolds, goes high, reaching up towards the sky. Feel the hopper, flip the switch, and zoom. Concrete is pushed into the boom. Up through the pipe, it doesn't stop. The concrete comes out way up top. Churn and pour and lift and fill. This team works hard with speed and skill. That's a really cool way, right, to get concrete up there.
I see a big crane into that. That's like a small crane, and then back here there's a big crane.
Oh yeah. Really close. Can you see the big crane?
That's a big crane right there, and then the hook on.
Good eye, Bray. Very nice. Rough and rugged all day long, rolling, lifting, digging strong. Each truck has had a part to play to help the work get done today. You see anything you want to point out?
Let's see. Yeah, I just see a bunch of cones. Checkers. And there they go.
Just like the plan, the job's complete. This awesome team just can't be beat. Cooperation got it done. Teamwork made it fast and fun. The new crew leaves, but on their way, crane truck waves. Freight work today. The crew drives off, engines loud, feeling tired but strong and proud.
And there's a bunch of little towers here.
A good day's work makes you feel strong and proud.
Over here, here, and here.
That's going to be a nice looking building. Cool looking little building.
It looks like it's from like Japan.
Oh yeah, the architecture.
Curved sometimes.
So true.
Imagine they aren't being in Japan. Huh?
It's getting dark. The sun has set. The trucks are tired as they can get. They roll to find their cozy beds to cuddle up and rest their heads, to close their eyes and drift away. New adventures wait another day.
Yeah. So like a little night light.
A little night light for the work crew, and they're all sleeping. Even the moon is sleeping. You see that?
And if you look back on the front page, it's a post.
He's awake. The sun's awake.
There's another one of these that's about
Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, right. Construction site, all tucked in tight. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night.
That's the end.
Mighty construction site. Thank you for your help.
Okay.